Hi, I'm Andrew Genetasio. I'm one of the owners of GTG Builders, and we've been building custom homes in New Jersey for 3 generations now. We've been doing it personally for 20 years. At GTG Builders, we understand that finding and buying a piece of property is one of the key aspects of building a truly perfect custom home. What's unique to our clients is where their house is located. Over 20 years, we've realized it's a really important step. As soon as a client identifies a piece of property, we get involved. We go look at that piece of property. We help them understand what the problems may be, what some of the costs may be, to take that from a raw piece of land to turn it into their dream home location. One of the things we worry about for our clients, because we've seen it happen many times, is clients go out, buy a piece of property before they talk to us, and they find that the zoning doesn't work, or some regulations don't work. They can't get a perk test, they can't have a septic system, they can't reach the sewer line. All of these things we want to find out and identify for our clients prior to them buying that piece of land. We give that client a clear process to purchase that land, and we give them a clear process to turn it into a building lot. First step in our process for when clients purchase property is we go out personally, go look at that land for them, identify anything we want to worry about, and of course we want to identify things, what the costs are to develop that piece of raw land into a building lot. We see many times clients will skip this step. They'll come to us already owning a piece of property, and one of the very worst thing is not to be able to build your dream home on that land. But the next worst thing is finding out there's 50 or 100,000. Right now we have a client that's paying $79,000 just to move dirt. So their entire project budget is off by $79,000. At the early stages of the process, we're asking questions of our clients. We don't expect them to come to us to know what we need to know. We really get to know what their goals are. And when we know what their goals are, we can look at it through their set of eyes. So step number 2, we're going to take everything we've gathered about this piece of process, we're going to bring it internally. We're going to have our operations team work with us, and we're going to develop a rough budget for what is it going to cost to turn this piece of raw land into your custom home lot. The purpose of step number 2 is to really ensure we can use this piece of land in the overall project budget. It doesn't do anybody any good to only have a part of a project budget. At the end of this step, we want clients to feel really strongly about A, purchasing that piece of property, and B, going to the next stage with us. Bella, he's got a flammable fire starter. Oh no, this is gonna turn into a thing. Yeah, Bella, don't do that. You're not gonna win. He's mad now. He's hoping UPS comes, because when UPS comes, the guy hands him the package, he brings it inside and he gets treats. Let's do it again, sorry. So the end goal of this step is to have clients ready to go to the next step. We want them to feel comfortable with being able to put an offer on that land, because here in New Jersey, if it's a good piece of land, it's gonna go fast. And second, they're ready to move to the next phase as well with our pricing and our developing an entire project budget. Step 3 is when we've entered into a formal agreement with a client to take them to the next step. And we're gonna bring in architects and engineers to officially work for us. We'll start simply with a sketch, and by the end of the day, you'll be able to lay out your dream home exactly how you want it. Budget, budget, budget. We're always talking about budget. We tell clients in the beginning, you're gonna get tired of us talking about budget, but we really don't wanna spend your money on things that you're not interested in. So once we've identified a general budget for your land improvement, we're gonna go out to our trades and our professionals. We're gonna price out each step of it. And at the end of the day, we'll have a line item detail for you so you understand how land improvements relates to your overall project budget. In the third and final step, we're really looking for the client's buy-in on all the work we've done already. And so we're developing those little things to really personalize your project. I think client satisfaction, it's just up to good communication. At GTG Builders, we believe in over-communication. One of the big hiccups is somebody's using an older version of a plan or an older version of some engineering, an older version of a permit. Using Builder Trend, we keep everything that the latest version, we're all looking at the same version. It helps avoid miscommunication. So we all get overwhelmed. Our job here at GTG Builders is to figure out how much detail clients want. We want it all to be fun and exciting, So internally, we're going to manage communications in a way that you're not overwhelmed, but you're overjoyed with being involved at a level that's comfortable for you. We're one of the only companies that helps our clients focus on the details of buying a piece of property. We think it's really an important thing for us to be involved in the very beginning to avoid clients getting involved in something that's going to sideline them from building a custom home eventually. If you're interested in buying land and building a custom home in New Jersey, you can find us at gtgbuilders.com or gtgcustomhomebuilders.com, and you can click on the Contact Us Now link, and we'll get a message and we'll be happy to reach out to you.